Another thing that we're going to have to watch really closely that I haven't seen a ton of people talking about is dry slotting. I do think there is going to be some dry air pulled into the storm. You can see it happening here on the Euro, where we have heavy snow out here, inch-an-hour snow here, we have inch-an-hour snow out here, but we have some dry air being injected into the middle. Now, yes, you still see blues on this map, but these lighter blues are typically just snow bands here and there. They're not a big bulk of snow that's dumping across the board. And if this were to happen, we could see a section of, say, 4 to 7 inches out here, 4 to 7 inches out here, and then 1 to 2 through New Jersey. Now, it's highly unlikely this is how the storm's going to play out. The Euro is going to continue to update. I don't think this is exactly where our dry slot's going to be. I'll talk a little bit more tomorrow about where that dry slot could be once we get into our short ranges, but we're likely going to have a dry slot somewhere. So someone's going to be disappointed, I think, but other people, again, might get more than expected. The National Weather Service is beginning to weigh in on what they expect the snow totals to be as well for this Sunday and Monday storm out there across the Mid-Atlantic and New England. And we're looking at potentially 5 to 6 inches across New Jersey. And this is early. They could easily push these snow totals way up or way down, but this early to already be expecting 5 to 6 inches across New Jersey is pretty good. We're seeing pretty much the same thing for New York City, Long Island, a few inches, maybe 3 to 5. Philadelphia, we're seeing 2 to 3 maybe from DC to Baltimore. Good snow, obviously, for West Virginia, most of Pennsylvania. So the National Weather Service is expecting some decent plowable snow out here already. And by the way, that's just the expected totals. Look at the high end. We're talking potentially 18 inches of snow through portions of central to southern New Jersey. Now, this is the high end, meaning it's only about a 10% chance of this happening, at least according to the National Weather Service. But the high end does show a large swath of 8 to basically, like I said, 18 inches, stretching from portions of Northern Virginia through Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, all the way up through New York City and Long Island. So things could get really interesting as we continue to get our model updates and as we continue to track this storm.